Hello, everyone. So, you might have felt that everything is set, everything is in your life, but you still feel that there is something missing. And because of that, you feel like you are not getting your life started. The same feeling has been described by Faiz Ahmed Faiz in his famous couplet. He says, गुलों में रंग भरे बाद नौ बहार चले गुलों में रंग भरे बाद नौ बहार चले चले भी आओ के गुलशन का कारोबार चले. So in English this will mean गुलों में रंग भरे, fill the flowers, let the flowers fill with color. बाद नौ बहार चले, let the breeze of new spring blow. चले भी आओ के गुलशन का कारोबार चले. Come on, so that the business of garden may begin. So in this couplet, it on the surface level, this is a simple couplet where everything is set, but arrival of someone or something will make that happen. We can understand this with an analogy of a radio. So a radio is there, it is working, power is on, but still it's not giving any music or melody because it's missing the signal based on which it will play. On the other hand, we can also take the analogy of a stage. Everything is set till the main character arrives at the stage, so the play begins. Similarly, sometimes we have everything in our life, but still we feel something missing, and that missing is our inspiration of an idea, of a person, or something else. Everyone has his own meanings. गुलों में रंग भरे वादे ना हो, बहार चले. See you in the next video.